page 4, or in New York, page 4. I want to change these to decimal form, the ordinary form. So all you got to do is whatever the exponent tells you to do. This is saying positive 4. That means move the point 4 places to the right. So I'm going to write 3, 2 like that, and I'm putting the pencil here. There's where the point was. I'm counting jumps. How many times do I jump? 4 times to the right. 1, and then 2, 3, 4. See, and I make these little loops here. It tells me how many zeros to fill in. So 3.2 times 10 to the 4th is 32,000. Okay, the point was here. I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is going to be a pretty big number. It's going to go 7 places to the right. The point is starting here. See, I made it nice and light. And I got to go 7 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, you could put zeros in as you count across. I don't like to do that. I get dizzy. That's the word. Yeah, I get confused. So the point's all the way at the end here. We have a nice big whole number. That's 50,100,000. 50 million. Let me write it again a little neater. Oops. Spoke too soon. 50,100,000. Okay. And here's one with a negative exponent, so the point's going to go to the left 4 places. I'll start with this, and I'm going 4 places to the left. 1 place, 2 places, 3 places, 4 places. So the point is right here. I need that many zeros, and I've been talking about this all semester. I put a 0 in front there so everybody notices my decimal point. Let me write this one more time, a little sharper. Point in 1, 2, 3 zeros, and 108. By the way, here's a secret. Don't tell anybody. If you got one of these calculators, see this right here? Scientific engineering. If I put an ordinary number in here, like let's put an ordinary number in here, 456. And then I push this. See, right now it's in float mode, which is the ordinary way the decimal goes wherever it needs to go. If I move it to the middle, scientific, and then there it is in scientific notation. 456, and you can see the 10 is very small on the display, but it's 4.56 times 10 to the second power. The point would go 2 places to the right, and then you'd have the original 456. Now remember, that is a secret. Don't tell the people. Here we're going to take some unwieldy, awkward, large, or awkward, small numbers and change them to scientific notation. No, this is, what is it? This is 300, this is 2,300,000,000. We only need the 2 and the 3. I'll put 2.3. There's the single digit in front of the point, times 10, 2, and now I have to carefully decide how many places does the point have to go to the right so that I get the exact same value, the 2,300,000,000. Well, this one's kind of easy because it's going right here, and there's 3, 6, 9 places. That made the counting easy. It's not always that easy. Sometimes, you got 27 zeros or something, and it takes a magnifying glass. Speak of the devil. Oh, gosh. Well, thank goodness for the commas, huh? So, what do I write? 1.17. So I can just have the 1 digit in front of the point. And then how many places does the point need to go all the way to the right? So if it's starting out right there between those one, it's 1 place, and then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 1 and 18, 19 places. 1.17 times 10 to the 19th is the same number. And one of the things you might notice here is you could not put that on this calculator in ordinary notation. If I write 1.1, what was it? 1.17 times 10 to the 19th power, that's the best the calculator can do. What? Because it's only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's only got like 12 or 13 columns up here. It doesn't have, this is 20 digits here. Right? 20 digits altogether. So there's limitations to what the calculator can show you. 1.007 times 10 to the, I was going from here, and I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, so 10 to the 9. And now this one, be careful here, this one's going the other direction. We're taking the decimal from here, between the 3 and the 1, and we need to go back over here. From there to there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to the left. So this is not right. Now it's right. We want a -7 exponent showing that the point goes to the left so many places. Okay, so now maybe this looks easy. We do these last two. 4.4 times 10 to the negative what? Okay, we're starting here. We're going there. How many places is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okie doke. And the last one, put that, remember the rule is one non-zero digit in front of your decimal point. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy to that here. So there's where the point is now, and it's got to go 1, 2, 3 to the left, and that takes care of that. Okay, so that's the end of page 4.